Hi, in this video I'll show you how to connect HDMI devices to your JVC Roku TV. Here I have a Blu-ray player, but what I will show you next works with gaming console, with cable boxes, or any other device like a home theater that are using HDMI to connect. So let's get started. So step number one, well, you need an HDMI cable, obviously. I'm going to connect one end of this HDMI cable in the back of the device I want to connect to the Roku TV. And it's important to connect it, I forgot to tell you, in the HDMI out port on the back. So if your device has many HDMI ports, you don't know where to connect it, well, check for HDMI out. Perfect. Next, I will connect my device to the power. Next, I'm going to take the other end of this HDMI cable that I've connected over here. This is the back of my JVC Roku TV. Depending which model you have, you may have multiple HDMIs. Here I have three, 1, 2, 3, and each of them have a number. You're going to notice that one of the HDMI ports is ARC. It says ARC or EARC. This means that with this cable connected in that specific ARC port, the TV will be able to control your device. Therefore, if you connect, let's say, your Xbox in this HDMI ARC port or a home theater, every time you take your remote control to turn on your TV, okay, you press the power button here, it will turn on the TV as usual, but it will also turn on the other device. So it's quite nice. Again, if you have, let's say, a gaming console, you don't have to power it on manually every time. The TV can control that device through the HDMI cable. In my case, this is a DVD player. I don't care, so I don't have to connect it in the ARC port. I can connect it everywhere. I'll connect it in HDMI number 3. Once you have connected the device, go ahead and power it on. And now on your Roku TV, how do you select it? Well, there's two different ways. Let me show you. So one of the way is actually using the power button of the TV. Sometimes it's located under, sometimes it's located on the back, like on this model. The power button is right over here, hidden on that corner. If I press that button once, I'll have this menu appearing on the left side, where you can see all your HDMI ports there. Let me press again on it. Under HDMI 3, it has changed the name from HDMI 3 to Blu-ray player because it has recognized I have a Blu-ray player. If you have an Xbox, it may say Xbox there. So to select that, press again until you highlight the port you want, and then stop touching the button, and the TV will switch to HDMI 3 or whatever. Now, what you can do also is using the remote control here, press the home button. And then over here, where all your apps are located, you can go down and select your HDMI port. You see HDMI 1, 2, and this is my third HDMI. And this is how you select your HDMI device you have connected. Here you go. Now it's playing. To switch to another one, same thing, press the home button and select HDMI 1 then. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.